Mina mfethu ngizokunika information mfethu. Mina ngigcwele ngawe mfethu. Gcwele ngawe mina mfethu. Lalela. Gcwele ngawe mina. Ungamangali kuzoba nesimo sika haleluya nje oqhuma la ngezansi ngoba kuzwakela ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhona la ngezansi. So ungamangali mawuzwe isimo somsindo we congregation thina sihleli la naye. Alright ke. Partner wakho uyakulawula yakwazi lokho. Ngiyadlala akakulawula uyak-influencer. Uyabona ukuzwana kwabantu nokuconnecta kwabantu ku-electromagnetic based on your charts, your activations and your definitions uzizwa attracted kulo onalokhu wena ongenakho. Uyabona for an example upartner wakho une-defined G-center, the center of direction, love and identity wena unayo. Ama-decisions nokuthi who to be, what to wear, where to go kuzoba ngathi uyak-influencer lapho ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelele changes akhasho ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. We tend to be attracted to the people who are possessing what we don't have. And we struggle our whole lives to compensate for what we don't have, instead of emitting, nourishing, and focusing on what we have, so that what we don't have will be inconsequential. Hey, clap lapho guys. Uyabona ke into ongenayo ongazalwanga nayo angeke kuze kwenzeke ukuthi ube nayo, angeke kuze kwenzeke ukuthi ube yiyona. Iyona into ebayibhedini ke leyo ukuthi wena you are trying to compensate for what you don't have for the rest of your life. Let me tell you, singama 9 center being. Yabona lento othi wena ama chakras. Thina ka human design we know ukuthi you have 9 centers, energy centers, yabo, on your chart. Mina ngiyi chart reader. On your chart you have 9. Siqale la phezulu, head, the center of inspiration, questioning and getting and figuring things out, yabo. 2 nayi ajna, the mind, the center of conceptualization, understanding and certainty, yabo, mqondo loyo, understanding, be sure, yabo. Kube yi center of communication and manifestation, the throat. Kube yi center lekuthiwa i-G center, the center of direction, identity and self love, yabo, behavior. Yayizwa lonto. Kube yilento ekuthiwa i-heart, the center of willpower, self worth, self esteem, confidence to achieve, to make it in the material plane. Yes. Kube yini emotional solar plexus, the center of emotions. Yes. Kube yi-sacral, the center of sexuality, prana, sexual energy, life force. Yes. Kube yi-roots, the pressure center of doing, the adrenaline to act, of getting things done. Kube yile splenic center, the center of intuitions, well-being and survival. Uyayizwa lonto. Lama centers sizalwa uthola ukuthi khona ongenayo, khona engekho noma khona angekho. And when you will spend your whole life trying to compensate unconsciously, kuba not self ukuthi wena uthothi une-open ajna uzozama for the rest of your life ukuba umuntu oneshow, uzohlezi kuba ngathi nje uncertain awunayo ishow. And you will spend the rest of your life investigating, ube kwi-analysis, paralysis, and overthinking, yabo, and being overwhelmed by your thoughts, because now you are trying to be sure kanti wena awuzalelwanga ukuthi ube certain of things, awuzalelwanga ukuthi izinto uzikhumbule. So partner wakho uzoku-influencer ke lapho ke uzoku-influencer upartner wakho because uzothola ukuthi yena une-defined mhlampe ajna and yena uzokwenza ukuthi ube umuntu ongazuthi kumele ukuthi ube ne-sure of what we are talking about, or you have to be sure of whether you are going to do this or not. Yabo afuna ukwenza ukuthi ube certain at any given point in time, or if yena partner wakho provider who is making a channel with you, so wena une-undefined ajna mhlawumbe une-gate 43 lapho. Lezi nto ngikhuluma ngazo phela ngeke uzazi ungalazi charts lakho, but wena nje ngikubekela on a generic point of view. Yabo une-ajna open in your chart, ayikho defined, kusho ukuthi we are open minded, we are here to take in information, ne? Awunayo i-consistent way of thinking and communicating with your thoughts. Kodwa uno-gate 43 lapho, the inner knowing, the breakthrough. And upartner wakho on the other side une-throat, uno-gate bani, uno-gate look 23 of communication or assimilating, like communicating things clearly. Uyabona ukuthi wena unolwazi kodwa ukwazi ukulikhipha, yena ukwazi ukukhuluma izinto simply but analo ulwazi. So manje indawonye noma unaye uzizwa umuntu ongazuthi can speak up his or her mind easily, and like it's like when you are able to articulate your thoughts if you are around yena, yabo, you are able to, so uyakudefine wena other half wakho ke loyo, so kwenza ukuthi ube ne definition naye on the other side. Man nawe uzizwa engazuthi unolwazi, yabo, engazuthi una something to say, yabo. So you guys are making a definition. Okay, if I'm with this one, it's like I know what to explain, yabo. It's like I have knowledge of and explain it. And on the other side, yena is like lento ayazi uyakwazi explain kanina nobabili, we are just creating a channel. Ngithi yabo lapho ke it's an electromagnetism, yabo, indlela lena nina enihlangana ngayo. Lento is not limited to upartner kuphela. Lento it goes a long way to even your co-workers, abantu sebenza nabo, abantu ohlangana nabo emphakathini, uzizwe uhooked komunye kanti is providing what you don't have. Ngitsho yizo lonto. But okubaleke kakhulu ke lokho ongazalwanga nakho, one, don't try, ngeke kuze kwenzeke, ngeke kuze kwenzeke. Yabona nje muzalwe une open route, asikho isidingo sokuthi uzame ukwenza izinto ngokusheshsha so that you will feel relieved from the pressure, because uzothola ukuthi wena you take in pressure from the external environment, and then you feel pressured to get things done, and uhlezi mhlawumbe utatazela. Mawuqeda lokho, you think you are going to be free from the pressure, only to find out ukuthi I will be free. You figure out that there's still something that needs to be done again. So now you are too adrenalized. Adrenaline what junkie. You are too adrenalized. Hlezi utatazela, maqeda lokho wenza lokho, maqeda lokho wenza lokho. You are too adrenalized, but you don't get to be free. The pressure is driving you crazy. Kandi why you are compensating for what you are not? You don't have that. When under normal circumstances, you need to chill. You don't have the constant adrenaline. But ngenzeka ukuthi upartner wakho noma someone on your auric field akunike that adrenaline, you take it when iba aware ukuthi okay, this pressure, this adrenaline is not mine. Do things at your own pace. Chill if you have to chill. No, it's not mine. It is from this person. This person is constantly busy or is doing something, and then I'm taking the energy, then I'm doing something. Understand the law? So don't compensate for what you don't have and what we are not. For your chat